Go.
Hi Kim, happy birthday. I mean belated. I'm really so sorry na wala gyud ko kaadto dadto sa inyong celebration. And wala ko nakauban kina Jaira ba Jai. Kato. And I'm just so sorry and I hope na this song will somehow kanang maka-forgive. I wait. This is like an apology song. Tingnan lang. Okay. Listen ha. One, turn it inside out so I can see all the things that's written over me. And when I'm with you, never there. And when I see you, you're everywhere. Tell me how I got this far. Tell me why you're here and who you are. 'Cause every time I look, you're never there. And every time I sleep, you're always there. 'Cause you're everywhere to me. And when I close my eyes, it's you I see. Everything I know that makes me believe I'm not alone. I'm not alone. Muna to, Everywhere by Michelle Branch. That's why I asked you what's your favorite song. And I love you sis. And I'm really so sorry. Please forgive me.